Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Healthy Lifestyle. In today's video we are going to discuss how to fix wrinkles and dry hands. As you age, you observe many changes in your body. Signs of aging become apparent on the surface of your skin, especially on your face and hands. Aging is a natural process and you cannot prevent it, but by adopting some measurements, you can slow down your aging process. As we constantly use our hands, the delicate skin of our hands loses its elasticity, which causes wrinkles and dryness. Some causes of wrinkles and dry hands are aging, excessive washing, dehydration, repeated exposure to chemicals, washing dishes and cleaning, overexposure to sun, smoking. Now we will discuss how to fix wrinkles and dry hands. Exfoliate your hands. As we age, the exfoliation process of the skin starts slowing down, so the dead skin cells are built on our skin. To prevent from the dead skin cells, exfoliate your hands with mild scrub. It helps in softening the fine lines and wrinkles on your hands. Use moisturizing creams. Use moisturizing creams on your hands after every wash. It helps to restore the natural moisture to the skin. Coconut oil produces good results to moisturize your skin. Apply aloe vera. Aloe vera is good in moisturizing skin elasticity because of its antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties. You can apply aloe vera on your skin as a natural, safe moisturizer. Wear gloves. If you expose your hands mostly in the water, you should wear rubber gloves because exposure to water can dry our hands. Water washes away natural oil in the skin. Gloves protect your hands from drying out. Avoid hot air dryers. Hot air dryers dry our hands. The best idea is that you should use paper towel when possible and pat the hands dry. Apply retinoids. Retinoids are derived from vitamin A and are used to treat wrinkles. Retinoids also increase the collagen production in the skin. Retinoids regenerate the skin and form new blood cells. Retinoids make the skin smooth, soft and healthy. But apply retinoids only at night, as sun exposure after applying retinoid is not recommended. If you are pregnant, you need to avoid from applying the retinoids. Banana pulp. Banana is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C. Banana is good to fight wrinkles. Apply the banana pulp on your hands and wash them after it gets dried. Rice mask. Rice mask is also good to fight wrinkles. Grind rice powder and mix it with rose water and milk. Use the mask on your hands and wash them when your hands get dry. It will produce best results to smooth and rejuvenate your skin. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question or query, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below. Goodbye.